मेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविताशाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकेर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणः शृण्वन् रामकथानां को न याति परां गतिं वैदेही सहितं सुरद्रुमतले इमे महामण्डपे ये पुष्पकमासने वीरासने सुस्थितम् अग्रे वाचयति प्रभञ्जनसुते तत्त्वं मुनिभ्यः परं व्याख्यान्तं वरदादिभिः परिवृतं रामम् नमामि तं वरदाग्रजं तं पदाम्बुजं यस्य पवित्रकीर्तेः मनांसि वा शीलयति श्रुतीनां मत्कुलसंभवानां नमः सभायै। आज तो रामायण प्रवचन आर्ट ऑफ प्रवचन का 15th डे, एक पक्ष। So we have been doing the series lectures on art of Ramayana at the behest of Hindu temple of Labak. And we have come to the 15th day, and these days are going to be important because we are going to get into an important part of Ramakatha in Prathama Kand में। वो तो यज्ञ कांड है, यज्ञ में श्रेष्ठ यज्ञ है कन्यादान। सो जनक जी सीता माँ को कन्यादान करने का करता है। सो वही घाट में है हम। राम कौन है? राम तो चरति इति राम, he is the walking embodiment of dharma. But why did he, what made him to have that capacity is what we have to see, because he comes from a lineage well brought up, and he is the fourth in the Vamsa Vriksha. रामं भजे श्यामं भजे श्यामं मनसा। ही इज श्यामल। yesterday Hindu temple में यमुना जी का उत्सव मनाया। It was such a pleasure to see all streets in Labak with अपने अपने आचार के अनुसार वस्त्र पहन कर भक्ति का इतना प्रकट किया। सो यस्टरडे दिस टेम्पल वाज यमुना तीर में व्रजभूमि था। आज तो सरयू तीर में मिथिला अवध का स्वरूप होता है। क्या है? राम भजे श्यामलम। ये तो श्यामल है, कृष्ण भी श्यामल है। रामं भजे श्यामं भजसा सर्ववेद सार हेतुनादं रामं भजे श्यामं। ही सो सर्व भूत सार है, बिग ही इज द सारांश ऑफ वेद। सर्ववेद सार सर्वभूत हेतुनादं विभीषण आंजनेय सेवित शरणं वसिष्ठादि मुनिगण मोदित हृदयं। विभीषण आंजनेय सेवित शरणं वसिष्ठादि मुनिगण मोदित हृदयं। राजे श्यामं भजसा रामं भजे श्यामं मनसा नीलमेघ श्यामलं नित्यधर्मचारिणं। क्यों मैं गाता हूँ? यस्टरडे एक महापुरुष, ये टेम्पल में एक महापुरुष है मेरे अनुसार, वो तो जिट्टूबाई गोयल है। उन्होंने मुझे गाने के लिए किया, बट आई थॉट आई विल डू इट टुडे। नीलमेघ श्यामलं नित्यधर्मचारिणं दण्डिनं गोदण्डिनं दुराचार खण्डनं रामं भजे श्यामं भजसा रामं भजे। ये तो सीता माँ गाती है। माघ मास में उसका व्रत किया, माघ चल गई, अभी तो फाल्गुन आया। मास में ये महा उत्सव होता है। क्या है वो? सीता विवाह। उत्तर नक्षत्र में फाल्गुन मास में सीता का विवाह। Why did she marry Rama? Rama is Sarvaved Sarabhutam. He is a Ved Sar, Brihat Ved Sar. He will not tolerate adharma. Dandinam, Godandinam, Durachara Kandanam. So Sita is thinking about this. जी गाता है, एक सगी सिया संग विदाई। ब्यूटीफुल श्रृंगार रस में तुलसीदास गाता है, ये तो सीता माँ का हृदय का वर्णन। एक सखी सिया संग विदाई, गही रही देखन भुलवाई। सीता माँ तो दुर्गा के चरण जाती है, बट she gets attracted because नारद ने बताया. So she got attracted to this Shyamala, Neelamegha Shyamala, but she has lajja, so she is not going there. One Sri went away from Sita. So what she says, Ek Sakhi Siya Sang Bidai, Gahi Rahi Dekan Pulavai. One Sakhi of Sita just stealthily went away. Gahi Rahi Dekan Pulavai. So Sita was plucking flowers in the garden. So only one chedi, only one Sakhi of Sita ran away. Tehi dohu bandhu bilok gai. Once she saw him, chalpadi, premi bibas Sita pai. She got stunned with prema. But then she came running to tell Sita, hey, look, there is a Sundar Purusha. Kaun hai? Thinking Ram itself, the entire city of Mithila, moh bas ban gayi, jinha nija roop mohan dai. Ram to mohan swarup hai, jinha nija roop mohani dari, kinhi swabhasa nagar narana, kinhi swabhasa nagar nar nari, sabhi nagar nar nari, sabhi log us Ram ka vash padi. Bhanarata chhabi jahanta sab log. Everybody started admiring Rama's beauty. Bhanarata jahanta sab log. Avasi, he is the one that should be seen. Tulsidas says, Avasi, avasar, ye to avasya hai. Avasi dekhi dekana jog. He is the one to be seen. He is Ramam Bhajesya. When this was going on in the Mithila Udyan, Ram also got Sita. So Sita comes with Kankana. Kankana Kinkana Nupur Dhuni Sun. This is where the story starts. Who is Ram? Ram to 40th generation from Lord Vishnu. Beautiful. This itself is an important part. Today we will see something very interesting. Try to uncover within an hour. Maybe I'll go on fourth gear. Who is Ram? He is the 40th person in the lineage of Mahavishnu. Even recitation of these 40 names, like Hanuman Chalis, this 40 names is Paramapavana. Valmiki does it. None other can do it. Brahma, Vishnu, Brahma, Marichi, Kashyapaha, Vivaswana, Manu, Ikshvaku, Kukshi, Vikukshi, Banaha, Anaranyaha, Trishanku, Kukshi, Vikukshi, Banaha, Anaranyaha, Trishanku, Vivaswana, Mandhata, Dhundumaraha, Yuvanaswana, Mandhata, Susandhi, Druvasandhi, Bharataha, Asiti, Sagaraha, Asamanjaha, Amshuman, Dilipaha, Bhagirataha, Kakutsaha, Raghuhu, Pravurdaha, Shankanaha, Sudarshanaha, Agnivarnaha, Shigraha, Maruhu, Prashrushrukaha, Ambarishaha, Nahushaha, Yayati, Nabhadaha, Jahadasharatara. Beautiful, 40 names. Recitation is a good thing for memorization. विष्णु से राम तो 40th पर्सन है, ब्रह्मा से 39th पर्सन है, रघुकुल में रघु तो 26th पर्सन फ्रॉम महाविष्णु एंड ब्रह्मा। विष्णु ब्रह्मा मरीचि कश्यप स्वानु मनु इक्ष्वाकुः कुक्षिः विकुक्षिः बाणः अनरण्यः त्रिशङ्कुः धुन्धुमारः युवनस्वान् मान्धाता सुरसन्धि ध्रुवसन्धि भरतः असितिः सगरः असमञ्जः अंशुमान् दिलीपः भगीरथः ककुत्सः रघुः प्रबुद्धः शङ्कनः सुदर्शनः अग्निवर्णः शीघ्रः मरुः प्रशुक्षरः प्रशुक्रुः अम्बरीश अम्बरीशं त्वं विनो अम्बरीश अम्बरीशः नहुषः ययाति नभागः जः दशरथः दशरथ राम रामः दशरथस्य पुत्रः अजस्य पौत्रः नाभागस्य नप्ता। he is going to wed whom? जनकस्य पुत्री महालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी हंसरोमवर्णस्य हंसरोमस्य पौत्री स्वर्णरोमस्य नप्त्रिः ह्रस्वरोमस्य ह्रस्वरोमस्य पौत्री स्वर्णरोमस्य नप्त्री। सीता कौन है? सीता तो चंद्रवंश महालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी चंद्रवंश से है। कौन है? जनकस्य पुत्री ह्रस्वरोमस्य पौत्री स्वर्णरोमस्य नप्त्री इमां कन्या। So this is what is going to happen hopefully today or in the next lecture. कौन है? सीता कल्याण वैभोगम रामा कल्याण वैभोगम पवनज स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रविसोमनेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोग गाता है। सीता कल्याण वैभोग। फाल्गुनी मास में उत्तर नक्षत्र में इतना बड़ी बड़ी संभ्रम, सभी उत्तर देश में इतना संभ्रम होता होना हो। इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया बिकॉज राम इज डायरेक्ट डिसेंडेंट ऑफ ब्रह्मा and he is 34th from Ikshvaku. So Ikshvaku, Valmiki writes, Ikshvaku was the first Surya Vamsa Raja who was ruling. You may ask why Manu? Manu was only a rishi. Prior to Manu, it was Vivasvanu, Surya. So it is a Surya Vamsa. पिता था कश्यप मुनि। कश्यप मुनि का पिता तो मरीचि ही, मरीचि ब्रह्मा स्वयं ब्रह्मा जी का पुत्र इतना है। सो ही इज द इक्ष्वाकु इज द फर्स्ट king who ruled. He is the first king of the solar dynasty who ruled the world. And from Ikshvaku to Rama, 33 kings were there from Ikshvaku until Rama. So the total ruling time they had was roughly about 1,000,000 years. From Ikshvaku to Rama, dynasty ruled for 990,000 years, nearly 1,000,000 years. We have seen this. So we have seen when we studied the Bhagirathas story, on an average each Ikshvaku king ruled and lived for about 30,000 years. 33 times 30,000 comes about 1,000,000 years, 990,000. Math, so much math. So Rama is 34th. He is Ikshvaku Vamsa Prabhavo Rama Raghu. Why they are called Raghu? Raghu comes in the middle. Raghu is 26th from Vishnu, 25th. So they are called as Raghu. Raghu and Raghu's forefathers were Kakutsa, Dilip, Bhagiratha, Dilipaha, Amshumanu, Asamanjaha, Sagaraha, Asiti, Bharataha, Dhruvasandhi, Susandhi, Mandhata, Manu Mandhata. So Janaka was very thrilled to give his daughter to this Vamsa, Ikshvaku Vamsa. So how long did this king rule? We discussed that they ruled about 30,000 years. Particularly, Rama lived for about 11,700 years. That's a beautiful math. दशवर्षसहस्राणि दशवर्षशतानि च कृत्वा वासस्य नियतिं स्वयं आत्मना एव पुरा. This was his own calculation. Swayam Atma. Rama ruled for 11,700 years. Dasha Varsha Sahasrani, Dasha Varsha Satani cha Kritva Vasasya Niyatim. It was a niyati, it was a rule. He put himself Swayam Atmana Eva Pura. This is Valmiki's words. So 11,700. Whereas there is some issue, controversy. One may think we have read Bhagavat. In Bhagavat में 2 सर्ग में राम का कथा आता है. What did Vyasa say? Tata urdhvam brahmacharyam dharayन् ajuhotah prabhu trayodasha abdasahasram agnihotram akanditam. You may think there is a controversy. राम वाल्मीकि का वाणी से हमको मालूम है राम तो 11 सहस्र वर्ष और 700 years more. दश वर्ष सहस्राणि दश वर्ष शतानि च कृत्वा वासस्य नियतिं स्वयं आत्मना एव पुरा. व्यास क्या करता है? तत ऊर्ध्वं, आफ्टर सीता माँ लेफ्ट, भूमि में चल पड़ी तो राम ने नित्य धर्मचारिणम एवं नित्य ब्रह्मचारिणम. तत ऊर्ध्वम, आफ्टर सीता माँ लेफ्ट, दिस वर्ड मास गोद में गई तो तत ऊर्ध्वम ब्रह्मचार्यम धारयन् अजुहोतः प्रभु त्रयोदश अब्दसाहस्रम. व्यासा says 13,000 years. Agnihotram akanditam. We started discussing this because it is very apt. We just celebrated Purushottama month. Beautiful math. Why we do this? So I said Valmiki to 11,700 years. यही है सब. Okay, ये वाल्मीकि. Whereas Vyas to 13,000 years. This is important. This is the Vamsa. That is what, when we are discussing Ram Sita ka Vivag, this is very important. Vyas says 13,000 years. There is no Samanvayam here. But both are great Kavis, both are Munis. How can this be contradiction? We just celebrated Purushottama Masa. Why we celebrate? Only if there are 4 types of ways in Sanatana Dharma, we calculate years. Shaurmana, Chandramana, Samvatsaramana, or Nakshatramana. A Gregorian calendar is also there, 5. Gregorian calendar says each year is 365 days. Saurmanabhi, when we calculate according to the Gati of Surya entering each Rashi, it is also 365 days. India में तो भारत देश में तो तमिलनाडु, Kerala, West Bengal, these 3 states predominantly follow the Surya Gati Saurmana. But predominantly it's a Chandrayana. In Chandramasa, according to lunar calendar, each month is 355 days only. 10 days less. So, but Surya is Pradhan. We said, so there are, so 365 plus 355 divided by 2 comes 360. So that is known as Samvatsaramana, general calculation. Saurmana to 365, Chandramana to 355. But the Chandramana should catch up with Suryamana. So once in 3 years they accumulate these 30 days. First year 10 days because it is 355 days. Each year there are 10 days less. That 30 days adds up to one additional mass only in Chandra in a calculation. So in Tamil Nadu and Kerala we don't talk much about Purusha Masa, Adhika Masa. Whereas in northern India we do Purushottama Masa because that 10 days times 330 days, so a month gets accumulated. Once in every 3 years you add an extra month, that month becomes Adhika Masa, so that lunar calendar matches with the solar calendar. This is fine. So 11,700 years, what should we take? Whether we take Suramana, Sauramana, or Chandramana, or Samvatsaramana. But in Shastra, Samvatsaramana is considered because to avoid complications. So 360 days. So if it is 11,700 years, this is what it is. Great rishis are great kavis, but they are great scientists. So 11,700 times you take it, it will be about 4,212,000 days. This is what Valmiki says. Dasa varsha sahasrani, dasa varsha satani cha. See, he is rounding up to 11,000 because in age you only calculate, even though it is 12 years and 10 months, you only say 12 years old. Even though you say 12 years, 10 months, you are still 12 years old. So it is only 11,000. That's what he says. Dasha varsha sahasrani, dasha varsha satani cha. But when you do the 11,700 times 360, because this is Samvatsaramana, average of Sauramana and Chandramana. So 11,700 times 360 comes 4,212,000 days. Whereas Vyasaji says, Trayodasha Abdasahasram Agnihotram Akanditam. This be. Who is Vyas? Vyas to Krishna Vamsi Bhakta. Right? He is Krishna Vamsi. So he says, I'm going to do my own chamatkar. Rohini nakshatra mein Krishna ka janma hua. So he is more attracted towards nakshatra. Sri Vaishnava ko nakshatra hi prasiddha hai. So he says, I am going to calculate the birth of Rama and the lifetime of Rama using nakshatra mana. That means how many nakshatra? Aswini, Abhabarani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrigasirisham, Ardra, Punarvasu. Likewise, if you calculate, there are 27 nakshatra. So if you take that, just use, compress the year based on nakshatra, 27 times 12 is what? 324. 13,324 exactly comes to 4,212,000 days. That is Mahaman. So 13,000 times 324 equal to exactly 4,212,000 years. How do you get 324? 27 times 12 equal to 324. So Rama Nigrahavan Dharma. Exactly 4,212,000. So that is how you do. And great science like philosophy ka Pravattak, Ananta Tirthar, they are all labored on this to show whatever Valmiki say, whatever Naradji says, whatever Vyasa says, Satya. It is only your brain is not able to grasp it. So Sarvam Samanjasam, like this, Rama ruled and lived for 11,700 years. So roughly, he hails from Ikshvaku Kula. Reign of the king starting from Ikshvaku until Dasaratha, it was about million years. 33 times 30,000 is 990,000. This is the lineage of Rama, Vasishtha says. These are the words. Vishnu, Brahma, Marichi, Kashyapa, Vivaswanu, Manu, Ikshvaku, Kukshi, Vikukshi, Banaha, Ananya, Trishanku, Dundumara, Mandata, Surasandhi, Dhruvasandhi, Bharataha, Asiti, Sakaraha, Samanjaha, Dilipaha, Bhagirataha, Kakutsaha, Raghu, Shankanaha, Sudarshanaha, Agnivarnaha, Shikraha, Varuhu, Prashushrutaha, Ambarishaha, Nahushaha, Yayati, Nabha, Dasharataha, Dasharati Rama. This is what wedding is going to happen. So Ramayana has so many maths. So this is the way, this is the lineage, this Janaka is going to wed her. So where are we? So the Vivah is going to be an important part. And in 25 slokas, Vasishtha talks about the lineage of Rama. In 15 slokas, Janakaji talks about the lineage of Chandravamsha. Sita Ma is 24th in the lineage starting from Nimi. Ramachandra is 40 in the lineage starting from Mahavishnu, 39 from Brahma, 34th from Ishwak, whereas Sita Ma is 24th from Nimi, Mithi. Likewise, it goes up to Janaka. Janaka is 23rd in the lineage, Sita Ma is 24th. So Janaka and Kusatwada, they both are brothers, and they both together have 4 daughters, Sita, Urmila, Mandavi, Sutakirti. So Vivag is going to happen. But there are preparations before Vivag. 2 things Vasishtha, Vishwamitra and Dasaratha show us. First and foremost, they say, Shubhashya Sigram. You should not waste time. That is what Dasaratha says. Beautiful. And second thing he says, if you are going to get something as a gift, you have no control. You are dependent on somebody who is giving the gift. Second, art of living. And the third thing is, time is very precious. So, Sita Vivah to hai. But there are 3 important living messages Valmiki infuses in the Sargas. 67, 68, 69, 70. Right from 50th Sarga up to 67th Sargas, it's all about Mithila Pravesh, Mithila Varnana, Sringara Varnana. Marichandrava idva makashirasi sharaihi anya rakshamsi nignanne kalyam kuruvanna kalyam patipada rajasa bindanas chandra chudam tanuhu avanisutam indiram eva labdva. Entire thing up to Sita Vivah. Rajyam pratishtatvam tribihi rapicha ramam bratuvi sadharai. So Viswamitraha saramastu srutva Janaka bhashitam vatsa rama dhanuh pashya iti raghavam abravit. Vatsa rama dhanuh pashya iti raghavam abravit. So Rama lifted the bow. Bharamityeva samabhashata leelaya. It's like play. Divi kridaya kridati vanamali goshte kridati vanamali. Okay, it's a Vidayat Talaivan. Kamban in Tamil says, Alagila Vidayat Tudaya. Anna, when he opens the epic poem in Tamil, he says, this is his Leela. Why did he has to come into this lineage? And you know the pain Ram suffered. You know, totally Ram lived for 11,700 years. If you look at the number of days and number of years Sita Ma lived, probably 45 years together, happily. Ram married Sita when he was 14. Then they lived together in Ayodhya for 12 years, 26. When they were 26, his mother sent him to forest. 14 years, 26 plus 14 is 40. So only he became king when he was 40. Couple of years later, Sita ka one chalna pada. So then 45 years, out of 11,700 years, he lived in separation with Sita Ma. That's what Vyasa says, 13,000 years as a brahmachari. So can you believe this kind of suffering? Why did he do? It's only for us. That is Ram Katha. It's Leela. Leelaya sa dhanur madhye jagraha dhanur madhye leelaya. He just took it. He just took it just fun. Pashyatam nrisahasranam bahunam yasya dharmatma salilamiva. Just like a fun. Salilamiva taddanuhu aropayitva maurvim. The string not only lifted maurvim, not only lifted the bow, the dhanu, even he took the string. Whose dhanus was it? It was given by Devas to the 6th lineage in Chandravamsa. It was given to the 6th person in the lineage of Mithi and the Chandravamsha. Right? And then they have kept it as a Puja Vatsu. Not only he lifted the bow, he held it firmly, and then he also pulled the string. Maurvim aropa itvacha purayamasa viryavan tadbhajam ja dhanurmadhye naras. Then it made an explosive noise. Tasya shabdo maha seen nirghata samanis nirghatam like a thunder nirghata samaniswaraha bhumikampascha sumahan parvatasyeva dhirya bhumikampa it's like earthquake bhumikampascha sumahan parvatasyeva dhiryata sorry everybody fainted nipetuscha everybody nipetuscha nara sarve tena shabdena mohita what a beautiful anushtup nipetuscha naraha sarve tena shabden then who all were saved only 4 people were saved Rama Lakshmana Janaka and Viswamitra Rajayitva Munivaram Rajanam Tauchara Rajayitva they saved only from this saved from this Mohana Astra or Nirghatam that big sound explosive Rajayitva Munivaram Raja Drishtaviryo Meramo what a world what a God it's a heavenly thing Janaka says Drishta Bhagavan Drishtaviryo Meramo Dasharatha that is the one thing what Janaka said I'm not believing that these 2 kids are going to do this favor to me that's what he was thinking don't underestimate people we saw it earlier but he says alas I made mistake Bhagavan wow alas God Bhagavan Drishtaviryo me it was seen by me Drishtaviryo me Ramo Dasharathatmajaha Atyabhutam super Achintyam non-thinkable unthinkable Valmiki uses these phrases Atyabhutam Achintyam cha Akirtyam this is not possible but they did it expect the unexpected Valmiki infuses it never underestimate your enemy so many pearls Janakanam kule kirtim aharishyati me sudha I thought there will be nobody to marry my daughter beloved daughter so but there is going to be kirti because this guy of Yavana 14-year-old boy Asarathi has done miracle Janakanam kule kirtim aharishyati me sudha Sita Asadya Ramam Dasharathatmajam Yam Sita Masuta Sahadharmacharitava Panim Grinvishwapanina is going to say that. So my daughter is going to get a perfect husband. Maryada Purusha. Sita Bhaktarama Asadya Ramam Dasharathatmajam Mama Satya Pratignya Sa Virya Shulketi Kaushika Sita Pranaihi Bahumata Deya Rama I am going to give so I am not going to go back on my words Mama Satya Pratignya Sa Virya Shulketa Kaushika Sita Pranaihi Bahumata Deya Rama to Rama I will give Sita imagine can this be done Dasharatha did not know anything how can this be possible? Because it is Vishwamitra. What did Dasharatha say? You are their father. Then he said, beautiful math will come. One math we saw, another beautiful math. So, how long was the duration from the day Rama broke the vow? Sita Vivah. Think. That is what it is. Subhashya Sigram. You have to read phrase after phrase in Valmiki Ramayana. So much. Muni, then he said, okay, he will send his spice. Spice means his dut. Muni Guptau Chaka Kutsau Katayantu Nripayavai. Let my people go to Kakutsa. Kakutsa means Dasharatha here. And tell everything. Katayantu. Pratiyuktam chu rajanam anayatum sushigraha anayatum. Let the king come immediately. Okay. Kaushikasyu tatetyaha raja cha abhashya mantrinaha. He did not do immediately. He consulted Vishwamitra and he consulted his mantri. That is very important. Abhashya mantrinaha. He spoke in detail, but everything happened quickly. Ayodhyam preshayamasa dharmatma kritasasanan. Because Dasharatha does things according to dharma. Everywhere dharma. Yatha vrittam samakyatum anetum cha nripam tata. Tell everything openly. Yatha vrittam samakyatum. Okay. Janakena samadhishta dutaste klantavahana. They rushed and rushed and rushed. Valmiki documents this. The horses got tired. Klantavahana. They got tired. But the energy was such that because good thing is to happen, they rushed and rushed and rushed. One clue. Triratram ushitva marge. Say they took 3 nights. Triratram ushitva, spent. Margete ayodhyam pravishan purim. So, that from the day Janaka, so the bow was broken. Madhyana kalame, the bow was broken. So these people rushed. So they spent 3 nights and then reached Dasaratha on the 4th day morning. So 3 nights plus half of 4 days. Okay. Triratram ushitva margete ayodhyam pravishan purim maitilo janako raja sagnihotra puraskritaha Shalam cha avyayam chaiva sopadhyaya purohitam sahupadhyaya purohitam. Then you have to ask good things. So did you do Agnihotra? Everything is going well. Not only you, your bandhu, parivar saha, or your upadhyayas or vasishta and all others are doing okay. The Raja asks for their goodness. So 4th day, the charas, the people from Janaka's kingdom ask for the well-being on the 4th day in the palace of Dasaratha. So 4 days. Okay. Prishtva kushalam avyagram vaideho mitilad. With no reservations. Na kalmisham. Avyagraha. There was nothing. It was pure heart. It's not like you put a facade. He was talking pure. These people were relaying the pureness of heart. Prishtva kushalam avyagram vaideho mitiladipa kaushikan anumate. The Raja did this only with the approval of Vishwamitra. Kaushikan anumate vakyam bhavantam idam abravi. Even what we are saying, the Raja got the approval of Vishwamitra. All these pearls. Seyam amasudara Vishwamitra purasaraihi yadrichaya. It happened. So you may think, why would I already agree to give my daughter? Because it was Deva Vashati, Yadrishchikam, Yadrishchaya. God sent, God did it. But Vishwamitra knew, but Janaka didn't know. So Janaka then realized that I didn't know, so don't scold me. It was Deva Sankalpa, Yadrishchikam, Yadrishchaya gatai viraihi nirjita tava putrakai. Beautiful conversations. Tacharajan danur divyam madhye bhagnam. Ramena hi Maharaja Mahatyam Sansadi. I'm not lying. The entire people witnessed this. We were not expecting. Yedittadu kandar, ittadu ketar. Kamban says, Yedittadu. All we know was only Rama picked ittadu ketar. The minute the bow was broken, Yedittadu kandar, ittadu ketar. Kamban tells in Tamil. Ramena hi Maharaja Mahatyam Janasansadi Asmai Deya Mayasi Virya Shulka. Because it is the pratignya for a Kshatriya, for a king, that whoever breaks this Banjana karta hai, usko meri suta ko deta hu. Aisa vachan kiya. Isiliye I am helpless. It all happened because of Deva Sankalpam. Pratignyam tatum tatuhu ichchami dhanugyatum arhasi. Tat anugyatum arhasi. Now you please give your anugya. Drishtaviryastu kakusto janakena mahatmana sampradhanam sutayastu raghave kartumachasi. This is godliness, and how beautiful the anushtups. Even listening is punya. Then this is what it is. Then Dasaratha, he didn't get angry. People say that if you are a father of a world, think that they have some chip on their shoulders. In those days in Sanatana Dharma, it was not like that. If it is according to Dharma, it goes without any problem. Yadivo rochate vrittam janakasya mahatmana. If that's what to be done, yadivo rochate vrittam janakasya mahatmana purim gachamaham shikram. We will come and do the things because it is God's. Purim gachamahe shikram mahabhut kalasya. That is what it is. Shubhasya shikram. Dasaratha says this pearl. Mahabhut kalasya paryaya. Don't waste time. The only thing you cannot gain back is losing time. We don't follow. kalasya paryayah. Dasarata's words should be etched in golden things. Ma bhut kalasya paryayah mantrino bhadamithyahu sahasarvai maharshibhi supritascha abravit raja. When tomorrow itself we are going. The day we finished fourth day, so fifth day they are starting. That is the beauty. How many math? Swa means tomorrow. Supritascha abravit raja swaha yatreti saman. Swaha, tomorrow itself chalo. That means those days kings were well prepared. Preparedness was there. What did I say? Do not waste time. Preparedness. If somebody comes to take wage war on you, they were so prepared. How apt it is today. Tomorrow itself we are going there. He says, bring all the chaturanga, ratha, gaja, toraga, padadi, everything you come. Tatoratyam vyatitayam saupayaya sabandavaha. So on the fourth day, they rested. Raja Dasarato Hishtaha Samantrim Abravit Adya Sarve Dhanadyaksha Dhanamadaya. That overnight, like you all did it yesterday, right? Overnight, overday, Pushkalam, plenty, Adya immediately. So this was happening on the fourth day afternoon. Adya Sarve Dhanadyaksha Dhanamadaya Pushkalam Vrajantwagre Suvihita Nana Ratna Samanvita Vrajan Agre. So you all go before me. Take all these. Adya Sarve Dhanadyaksha Dhanamadaya Pushkalam Vrajanti Agre Suvihita. Well prepared, organized. Suvihita, well prepared. Nana Ratna Samanvita. Then all the people, great rishis, they all started preparing overnight. Valmiki documents. Vasishto Vamadevascha Jabali Ratakashyapaha Markandeyascha. Beautiful. You see, who was Markandeya? He talks about Vasishta. Vasishta Vamadevascha Jabali Ratakashyapaha Markandeyascha Dhirga. Imagine. These are meticulous great munis and poets. That's how you have to read these poems like anything. Markandeyascha Dhirgayu Rishi Katyayana. He did not give adjective to anybody, only to Markandeyascha Dhirgayu Rishi Katyayana Ete Dvija Prayan Tvagre Syandanam Yojayaswame. Standanam means Rath, chariot. Yojayaswa means to. Now let these people with wealth and all my people, chancellors of exchequers, go in front. Let the riches go. I will follow them. So get my chariot ready. Syandanam Yojayaswame Yata Kalat Yayo. We have to go on time. Previously he said Ma Bhut Kalasya Paryayah. Now he says, Yatha kalat yayo nasyat. Once time is gone, Yatha kalas yayo syat. Gatva, then he said, let's not go because we have to show who we are. Gatva chaturaham margam. The fourth day, chaturaham margam. They took 4 days to go. So these people rushed. So what did they say? They did not rest. The chariots were all tired. The horses were all tired. So 3 nights. And the 4th day, these people took 4 days to go. So 8 days. That's what I said. Gatva chatuhu days. They took 4 days and they reached Janakapuri, Mithila on the 4th day. So already 3 plus 1 plus 4, 8 days. On the 9th day, that's what the beauty is, math. So Rama broke the bow, and then 9th day from that day, it was Phalguna Uttara. Gatva chaturaham margam videhan abhyo Ivan Rajatu Janaka Shriman Sudva Puja Kalpe. On the 4th day, they came. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So that night itself, they made all the preparations. Everything. On the 9th day morning in Madhyanika Kala, Abhijit Muhurta, Shubha Muhurta mein, Phalguni mein, Uttara Nakshatra mein, Vivah. It will happen. Uvacha Vachanam Shreshto Narashreshtam Mudanvitam Swagatam Te Narashreshta Dishtya Prapto. It is fortune. Drishtya, it is only because of God's wish. Drishti means here God's doing. So it was providence, it was act of providence. Drishtya praptosi raghava putro putrayo ubayo pritim. So you are going to make your kids also happy. Because they both, in a way, they were both attracted each other. In a way, they were attracted to each other. Putro putrayo ubayo pritim lapyase. They were manasik mein ek ko ek. They were attracted to each other. Who? Janaka, Rama or Janaka. Putrayo pritim lapyase virya nirjitam. That is the reason he was able to break the bow. Virya nirjitam. Dishtya prapta mahateja vasishto bhagavan rishi. Even seeing Vasishta is itself a great thing. Saha sarvad vijayhi sreshta devaihi vashatakrutuhu. It is like Indra surrounded by all devatas. Vasishta and you are all there. So it is a great praptam for me. Dishtya me nirjita vigna. So he says 3 times Dishtya. By seeing you, Dasharatha and Rama and Lakshmana is a providence. And by seeing Vasishta, it is again a golden thing happening because of Deva Anukul. The third thing is, I was worried about my Kula name, that nobody is going to break the bow and marry my beloved daughter. That is all gone. So 3 times. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. One is, there are barriers that can happen because of you. There are barriers that can happen because of Deva. There are barriers that can happen because of demigods. That is the reason Valmiki puts 3 times Dishtya. Because of grace, good grace, good grace, good grace. Now my Kula name will be flourished. Dishtya me nirjita vigna, Dishtya me pujitam kulam, Ragavaihi sahasambandhat, Ragavaihi sahasambandhat. Because of our association with Raghukula, Ragavaihi sahasambandhat, Virya sreshtaihi mahavi. Then he says, okay, I am going to take what you give. I am not going to ask anybody because she is Mahalakshmi. Chirasagara tamudra tanayam Sriranga dhameswarim dhasim bhuta samasta loka deva vanitam lokaika deepankuram. She is nothing but Sri Mahalakshmi. So, pratigraho dhatru vashaha. Second pearls from Dasharatha. You know, there is another saying. But that's not the thing here. But in a way, literally, you say, I cannot demand anything. Pratigraho. Pratigraho means I am the one who is taking. Because it is a dhan. Janaka is giving kanya and he is accepting it. Pratigraho dhatru vashaha. It is only up to you, dhat, who gives. So only the people who are giving the benevolence have the control. So pratigraho dhatru vashaha srutam yetan mayapura. This is an old adage. And that is reflected here. Yatha vakshyasi dharmagya tat karishyami ahevayam. We will do what is to be done. Atharamo mahateja lakshmanena samam yavahu. To bring them both, then Vishwamitra calls Rama and Lakshmana. Vishwamitram puraskritya pituhu pada. Then he, with the blessing of Vishwamitra, this is the first time Rama is going to see Dasharatha. He has not seen him for many days. So he is also shy, young boy, 14-year-old young boy. Vishwamitram, so he is hiding behind Vishwamitra. Because what trick did you do? What mischief did you play? Did you have this in mind? You didn't tell me all this. No, father will ask. No, that Valmiki writes it. Vishwamitram puraskritya pituhu pada. So then he did sprashana, pituhu pada sprashana. Then he did, okay, once you fall at somebody's feet, okay, Sharanagati. Janakopi mahateja kriyam dharmena tattvavid yajnasya cha sutabhyam cha kritva ratrimuvad. So that 8th night went like this. So 9th day is Vivah. So when some Shubha Muhurta happens, always you should use Mangala Vachaka Tataha. Tataha prabhate janakaha krita karma maharshibi. So Vivah started on the 9th day from the day Ram broke the bow. Tataha prabhate janakaha krita karma maharshibi uvacha vakyam vakyajna shatanandam purohitam. Bhrata mama mahateja yavaniyan adidharmika. Okay, then he says, this is a great kulu. I have my second daughter, that is Urmila, who is going to be wedded to Lakshmana, and I have my brother Kushatwaja. Beautiful. See, that is the reason when Valmiki says not only is the Raja of Videha Raja, but he is also Raja of Mithila. Whereas Videha Raja is like a monarch, he is like a Chakravarti, but there are many small kingdoms, and one within Videha is ruled by his brother by name Kushatwaja. Kushatwaja iti khyataha Purim adya. So he is in some Puri. He is living. Vasaha Shubha. He is living in some other place, but within my kingdom. So I am going to send him, and I am going to tell him to bring two of his daughters, Mandavi Sutakirti, to be wedded to Bharata and Shatrughna. Varyam palakaparyantam piban ikshumatim nadim. So Varyam Amalaka. So the place where he lives is full of water. There are a lot of citrus fruits, Amalakam, like this Amla, like gooseberry. So all these are growing there, Ikshumatim Nadim, on the banks of Ikshumati. It's very beautiful. Sankashyam, the city where Kushatwaja lives. I live in a city called Mithila, whereas my brother lives on the bank of Ikshumatim Nadim. Beautiful word itself, isn't it? How rhyming. Ikshumatim Ratim Nadim Varyam Amalaka Paryantam. Amalaka Paryantam. Varyam means water. It is surrounded by water with lot of bounty of many fruits. We have to take it as Upalakshana. So Amalaka, like other gooseberry and other plants, are all there on Ikshumatim Nadi, and the place where he stays is Sankashyam. The city where my city is known as Mithila, his city is known as Sankasyam. Punya Sankasham Vimanamiva Pushpakam. The city is like Akash Viman, like it's like that many tejas. Tamaham drashtumichami yajna gopta samhimataha pritim sopi mahatejo imam bhokta maya. Let him also participate in this great yajna. So Vivaha itself is a yajna. Sankashyam tu samagamya dadrushuschu kushatvajam. So he came running. When the Bada brother asks, even in Gujarati's family and other families in northern India, it's still there. They live as a unison family, and Bada brother is like a Agraja, is like a Pita Saman. Right? Sankashyam te samagamya dadrushuschu kushatvajam nyavedayan yata vritam. Whatever you say, hey Anna, ye brata, I will do. Nyavedayan yata vrittam janakasya chitintitam tatvritam nrupati shrutva duta sreshtaye mahadvajaihi ajnaya tu narendra. Ajnaya, you do, I will do it. So, see, everything happened on the 8th night. Gacha mantri pate shigram aikshvakam Nita Prabhum. Then 9th day morning came, he sends one important mantri called Sudama. It's not the Sudama in Bhagavati, the mantri is also called Sudama. Gacha mantri pate shigram aikshvakam Amita Prabhum. Non par excellence, these people have meticulous qualities. Amita Prabhum Atma Jaihi Sahadurdasham Anasyatva Samantrinam Aupakaryam Sagatva. The Sanskrit word meaning for Sanskrit word for guest out is Aupakarya Shala. Aupakaryam, Upakarakarna, Upakarshala, right? Aupakaryam Sagatvatu Raghunam Kulavardhanam Dadarsha Sirasa Chainam Abhivadhyam Abravid. This Sudama goes to that guest house where Dasharatha were all staying and then invites them to Vivaha. Ayodhyadipate Veera Vaideho Mithiladipati Satvam Drashtum Vyavasita Sa Upadhyaya Purohitam. So that is also very important. Valmiki never gives too much credit to Dasharatha. When they are both each other, both are called the same Mithiladipati, Ayodhyadipati. They didn't say you are the father of the son, so you are elevated. No. This is Ayodhyadipate Veera Vaideho Mithiladipati. Beautiful, they are on par. Sattvam Drishtvam Vyavasitaha Sa Upadhyaya Purohitam. He wants to see you because he has already started the pujas and havan for marriage. Sattvam Drashtum Vyavastitaha Sa Upadhyaya Purohitam Viditam Te Maharaja Ikshva Daivatam. Vaktva sarveshu. Then, okay, let things get started. Who? It will all be led by Ikshvaku. Ikshvaku's preceptor is Vasishta. Vakta sarveshu krityeshu Vasishto Bhagavan Rishi. Whatever Vasishta says, let things be done. Vishwamitra Bhyagnyataha. Vishwamitra Bhyagnyataha. With the help of Vishwamitra. There again, the diplomacy is played. So we don't want to pick any bones or quarrel with Vishwamitra. Vishwamitra bhi anugyataha sahasarvaihi maharshvi yesha vakshyati dharmatma vasishto me yadakramo. So marriage is going to start. Tushnim bhute dasharate vasishto Bhagavan Rishi. Vasishta did not speak a word so far. You have to be given space to speak. In Tamil, there is a phrase. If we are grown up in villages, there is a phrase. Pechila tamadama irkanum, kelvila teevrama. Beautiful phrase. You have to be slow in talking, but you have to be quick in listening. So that's what Vasishta says. Tushnim bhute. After everything expensed, after Dasharatha expends his speech, Tushnim bhute Dasharate. By Dasharatha, when Dasharatha finished speaking, contextually you have to take it like that. Tushnim bhute Dasharate Vasishto Bhagavan Rishi Uvacha Vakyam. Adjectives he uses. Vakya Kovidaha is Hanuman. Vakya Visharadaha is Vishwamitra. Vakya Visharadaha is Sadananda. Vakya Kovida is Sadananda. Vakya Visharadaha is Dasaratha. What he gives phrase for Vasishta? Vakya Yajnaha, because he is Rishi. Abhyasanam Saiva, Bhagavan Lord Krishna says, Swadhyabhyasanam Chaiva Vangmayam Tapa Uchyate. He says, what is Yajna? Vangmayam, control your words. But let the words only tell good things, let the words only do good deeds. Swadhyabhyasanam Chaiva Vangmayam Tapa Uchyate. Then you says, Anutvegakaram Vakyam Satpriyahitam Chayat. Swadhyabhyasanam Chaiva Vangmayam Tapa Uchyate. The same thing. In Gita, Krishna borrows perhaps. Tushnim bhute dasharate vasishto bhagavan rishi uvacha vakyam vakyajnaha. Every word is a bird. Purodasam means people who are all men of cloth or rishis. So he, along with other rishis, went to the Yajnasala to start the marriage. Sita Kalyana Vaibhog. It is Vaibhog, it is Sambrama. Pavanaja Suti Patra. Why? Because he is going to be all served by Pavanaja Hanuman. Pavanaja Stuti Patra. Pavana Charitra. How is Rama? Ravi Somanetra. One eye is like Chandra, one eye is like Surya. Ravi Somanetra. Niyagatra. His body, Gatra, his body is that Tejas. That is what Rama. So Rama comes, Sita comes. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baram. Bhagyada Lakshmi Baram. The wedding is going to happen. Why? Loka Rakshanatham Tantuna Neva Loka Rakshana Hetuna. It is not for them. They are not going to achieve anything. Mangalyam Tantuna Nena Mama Jivana Hetuna. We say that. I want to marry because I want to have progeny, and the more time I want to marry a doctor so I can explore the world. That's not the case. Loka Rakshana Karanati. So Mangalyam Tantunane Hetuna Kante Aropayami Kante Samarpayami. So we are offering the Mangalya Sutra to Ma. For why? Jagan Mangala Karanati. For the Loka Mangala Karanati. So that is what Vivaha is going to happen. It's a very pavanam, it's pavanam ghattam. It is very important ghattam, so that is what happens. So Sita Ma comes, Bhagya, she is nothing but Lakshmi. Bhagya the Lakshmi Baramma. She is our mother. Nammani. Bhagya the Lakshmi Baramma. She had already seen her yonder. Annalum nokkinan, avalum nokkinan. He just saw her. She shied away. Then when he was turning, she saw us from that balcony. Annalum nokkinan, avalum nokkinan. He is Shyama. Ramam bhaja. Shyamam bhaja sa Ramam bhaje Shyamam. Neelameghasyaamalam nityadharmacharinam is also brahmachari. Neelameghasyaamalam nityadharmacharinam Vibhishananjaneya ujita charanam vasishtadimuniganamodita hridayam Ramam bhaje Syamam Manasa Ramam bhaje Syamam. She sees him, he sees her, they are going to be wedded. So made for each other. Ramaha Vigrahavan Kar. Yam Sita Mama Sutta Sahadharmachari Tava Panim Grannishva Panina. So Janaka is going to give the hands and do the wedding. Why? Dharma Prajartam Vrinimahe. Just to propagate Dharma. Ekamishet Vishnutvan Vetu Dve Urjve Vishnutvan Vetu Trini Pada Vishnutvan Vetu. Veda says this is marriage. Ekamishe, one step. Let Lord Vishnu come, let Agni pull you. Yeshamishe Vishnutvan Vetu. The energy of the house. When this lady comes, she is going to bring the energy, health, happiness. Dve urje Vishnutvan Vetu. Trini Pada Vishnutvan Vetu. Sapta. When they finish that Sapta, Saptapadi Sakhava. We will be. This is the Vaidik Vivaha. That's all it is. Mangalya Dharma and all later. It's Sishtachari. Panigrini. So you should hold the hand like this for Dharma Prajartam. And then we take Agni Sakshi, eternal, and take 7 steps. By the time we take the 7th step, we become friends. No master, no servant. And then we go see Arundhati and Vasishta. That is marriage. That is what? Sita Kalyana Vaibhava. Pavamana Sududu Patu Neenama Rupamulaku Nitya Jaya Mangalam. Mangalam Bhavatu Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.